Creamy King Prawn Linguine. It's so easy you can make it in less than 20 minutes. Begin by filling a large saucepan with water and then season it generously with salt. Place it over a high heat and bring it to a boil. While your water is coming to a boil, finely dice one small onion or shallot, one red chilli. You can leave the seeds in if you like it a little bit hotter, or you can take them out, and 2 cloves of garlic. Make sure they're all roughly around the same size and finely diced. Place a frying pan over a medium-high heat and add in 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 20 grams of butter. Place your linguine into the boiling water and cook it to the packet instructions. I'm going to cook mine for 9 minutes. Once your olive oil and butter are hot in the frying pan, you can add in your king prawns. I'm using Argentinian king prawns, which are already red in colour when they're raw, or you can use the usual king prawns where they're grey and then turn pink as they cook. Cook them for 3 to 4 minutes and then remove them from the pan. Now add your diced onion, your diced chilli and your garlic into the pan and cook it for around 2 minutes until a little bit soft and they've started to release all the flavours. Then you can add in the zest of 1 lemon and cook it for 1 more minute. Next, pour in 150 ml of white wine and bring it to a boil and cook it for 2 minutes. Before adding in 300 ml of double or heavy cream. Stir it together and allow it to simmer for a few minutes until it starts to thicken up. Reduce it down until it's your desired thickness. At this stage you can add the prawns back into the sauce, along with 15 grams of chopped parsley and 60 grams of spinach. Stir it together until the spinach wilts down and then season it to taste with salt and pepper. As soon as your pasta is ready, you can take it directly from the water using a pair of tongs and place it into the sauce. Then mix it all together. To serve, share the pasta over 2 plates and then spoon over any extra sauce and prawns. Finish it with a little bit more chopped parsley, chilli and lemon zest if you like. That's how to make a delicious creamy king prawn linguine in less than 20 minutes. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.